Hello, I'm Yuna. Welcome to my channel and another summer dish that I'm going to show you how to make. It's so easy. It's a 5-ingredient creamy miso pasta. So I got half box of fettuccine right here because this is just what I have. So you can use any pasta you want, but I prefer like the long spaghetti, long noodles, not the penne or rigatoni short ones, because you just want to be able to like slurp that. And the reason I say that is because of this, miso. How would you describe miso, you guys? It is a paste, yes, but the smell, it's earthy. I know it's fermented, but it's not like the pungent, like kimchi fermented. It's very aromatic. I'm like running out of adjectives already. It tastes like almost soy sauce. Well, it is made out of soybeans. So our water is boiling, and right away, I like working with like a large, wide pan because it cooks my pasta easy and quicker in my opinion. I just set my timer to 9 minutes because I think I just talked about a minute. It's funny, 9 minutes when it comes to cooking is like so fast. I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe it's already going off. But when you're working out for 9 minutes, it feels like 9 hours. Okay, let's prepare other ingredients. So I know I mentioned there's 5 ingredients, right? So we got butter, we got the Parmesan cheese, we got miso, we got the pasta, and the last ingredient is our green onion, which is in my bag. I'm gonna go get that. So I guess I'm taking some time to go get my green onions. So come over here. So you leave some water here and just leave it there. And we're gonna melt our butter. I have about actually 4 tablespoons of that. And then right in here, mixing it with butter so nicely. And we don't have heat on because we don't want to be cooking pasta quite yet. It's been cooking for 10 minutes and it's super hot still. So now the starch from the pasta is going to work super well. Oh man, with this miso and the butter. And lastly, cheese. As soon as miso is still melting. So cheese, I don't really specify how much, but I would say about 4 to 6 ounces, depending on how heavy you want this to be. I can't stop using that analogy of going to, Olive Garden and say like, tell me when you would like to stop, or like, when you're happy with the cheese, like I'm just standing there, or I'm sitting there watching a handsome waiter at Olive Garden just grate your cheese. So you don't need extra seasoning because flavor comes from the miso and also from the cheese. And butter just is there to enhance that flavor. And then lastly, I'm just going to add in our green onions for another surprising flavor. I just put some cheese in there and butter in there and miso to really make it like an Asian influenced dish and not green onions. Oh my gosh, how amazing is that? Oh yeah, look at that. Looks awesome. So under 15 minutes, we have this creamy miso fettuccine dish. And for dinner or for lunch, or I would even have it for breakfast, like put some eggs on top. Oh my God, that'll be so good. Once again, it's a 5-ingredient only. We got the miso paste. Make sure you buy the Japanese, not the Korean brand, because miso is completely different than Korean soybean paste. So that's completely different paste. So miso, fettuccine, butter, Parmesan, and lastly, some green onions to garnish that. So it's fantastic. I hope you make this because it's so easy to whip up, and like, I'm sure your spouse, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your friends are gonna be like, what is this unexpected surprise? If you're not connected on Instagram, I'm at Yuna Cooks, and let's be friends. And every Tuesday, I upload a new video with a new recipe. Of course, why would I upload the same video, right? So please hit the subscribe button and give me some heart or thumbs up, heart for Instagram. So yes, enjoy the summer and enjoy some pasta.